Howdy, y'all. It's time to eat something. This is the Bridgford Ready-to-Eat sandwiches, beef with barbecue sauce in bread. Not in bread, inside bread. Anyway, unique, tastes great, tear open, ready to eat, made in USA. Nutritional information, you're welcome. They've got a 2029 shelf life, so that's cool. 280 calories per sandwich. Eat them straight out of the bag. Boil the bag in water, microwave, or toaster oven. In a second, a plane is going to come by. We're in the flight path of O'Hare now, which is a lot different from our old view, where it was just hang gliders and helicopters. So I'm inside my Rain Sys pop-up tent, a cheap knockoff of the Gazelle, and so far I'm really digging this. I've got a 8x8 tarp laid out on the floor, so that's the crackling you hear when I walk. Let's take a look at these. We recently tried the pizza, which it reminded me of school pizza back in elementary school or whatever. So there's two of these, shelf-stable MRE packaging. I microwaved one and ate one as is. I actually liked it better unheated. My better half disliked it so much that she wouldn't even come out to try this. But we'll see what we think. It's good, it's easy calories. These were actually cheap at wherever the heck I was. Don't eat this. So it smells like bread and barbecue sauce, but it's soft. It's yeah, it may have been squished a little, but if you're carrying it in your backpack pouch or whatever, it's going to get squished anyway. Okay, that first bite tastes like took a bun and squished it together a little bit, and that's all. There's more bread than sauce. Hey, Lulu, you want to come in? The puppy's sticking her nose in the tent. She's not quite sure whether she trusts it or not. Now that I have food, actually you smell food, don't you? Now that she smells food, she's thinking, oh, maybe it's worth it to step in. Let's see. 9 grams of fat, 700 milligrams of sodium. Everything's got sodium. 41 grams of carbs, which is not great. I'm trying to stay away from sugar and carbs. 2 grams of fiber and protein and fat are my diet. And low, I'm trying to be careful with the protein because I have gout also. 12 grams protein, 8 grams of sugar. So the sugar and carbs are not great, but it's an exception. 290 calories. So if you're hiking, the carbs and protein are probably good for you. If you want to taste it, you gotta come here, Lulu. You gotta be on camera. Right? Anyway, you ever have that aunt who makes you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but just spreads just a hint of peanut butter and a hint of jelly, and if you open up the bread, you can see it, but it's an inch from the side, the edges all the way around, because they're either too cheap to really spread it on like the peanut butter and jelly sandwich is supposed to be, or they just don't know how to make a sandwich. That aunt stuffed this barbecue sauce, spread it thinly in the bread. Look how thick the bread is, man. So I'd like to have a lot more barbecue. You see I got flour powder all over my britches now. And dog hair, Lulu. Given my choice between this and the pizza, I'd definitely take the pizza. I know Bridgford makes a bunch of other sandwiches. The shelf life is, for the shelf life and the price, yeah, it's worth having around in your basement in case of an emergency. But yeah, maybe I'll stick the other one in the microwave and see if it's any good. But I like the pizza better for sure. Anyway, that's my opinion. You're welcome to it. And thanks for watching once again. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Meow.